Assalamu alaikum. This is Sanzida Rahman. I am started studying BSc in Nursing at College of Nursing, which is located at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar, Dhaka. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I am really pleased to get this opportunity to say something about my daily routine. Let me share a fictionalized glimpse of a typical day of my life as a student. Firstly, at 5:30 a.m., I wake to the alarm's maddening buzz and finish my prayer. I brush my teeth and freshen up myself. Then I take my breakfast and dressed myself for the college, as our classes started at 8 a.m. So at 7:55 a.m. I am in class, picking out a spot and reserving some seats for some of my daddy friends. Finally, we get tea break at 11 a.m. and I am inordinately grateful for this, as I cling to warmth of my mug and inhale the magical steam rising to greet me. After the college, I take a shower and have finished my prayer. Then I finally take my lunch. I sit to do some study. I go for Asr Janamaj, and after finishing it, I spend some quality times with my roommates. At 5:30, I go for Maghrib prayer, and after finishing it, I pick at some snacks. Then I swat my lectures. After that, I contact with my parents, and it is the dearest part to me of my day. Then I take my Isha Salah, and after finishing it, I partake of my supper. After finishing supper, I browse internet. At last, at 11:30 p.m., I head off to bed. That's all about me for the time being. Thank you so much for your listening.